is. Do it again.
So I got this lovely, nifty little handy dandy, not just no ordinary binder. It's a binder for your seeds. It comes with a moon calendar that I have no idea how to use. Be honest with that. It comes with little packets for your seeds. Comes with little tag things, whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called. These little things that they make you put in the binders, which we are going to do now. Plant grow. Okay, so oh god, what is? I got this. Okay, so.
Don't mind me, y'all. I feel like shit still.
So I think you put them on there. These ones. Oh god, I'm gonna be even more on the ball with it. Okay. Y'all can figure this binder out with me. Let's do it together, guys. Cause I don't fucking know. This is why I said I needed a seed binder. You guys will find out real quick. This is why. It even gives you a little, on one side of it, tips and tricks and homemade insecticides. If anybody wants to know how to do red pepper spray, let me know. Garlic spray, baby shampoo spray. Anybody out there that has babies and don't want to use the regular kind that burns their children's eyeballs? This is what I was really intrigued in. This is really fucking nice. I just seen the fucking first one that had. I'm getting more than that though. They didn't give me enough. Well, actually, I don't know because there's two different.
You can always just put the seeds in the seed packets you got and just put them in there. Those are more or less like for seeds that you don't have, like the tomato seeds we got.
Yeah.
We can put in there and label them because we don't have a bag for them. But these seed packets should fit right in your binder that you already got.
I was gonna leave the open ones the way they are.
Yeah, I just fold the top
But I
over
was confused because there's this size and there's
this size is like for the whole seed.
But y'all, I'm super excited. If anybody has about over 100 seeds, your best bet is to do one of these, I'm telling you.
She was getting overwhelmed with seeds because they're all over. She got them all in a tote thing, so.
It's not too thin. It's not too thick. He's hacking. He's awake. He's awake.
There's his own. There's that downstairs kid.
It's the downstairs kid. Oh, come on. Line up. Line up. Line up. If I have to do this one by one, I'm not going to be happy. There we go. Oh my god, dude. Because you have to do it one by one. It doesn't let you cheat the system.